Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, some Sherwin Williams black latex paint in eggshell, that I'm going to try and spread to the edge on one side. I'm going to put some white down the middle of this. The black and the colors are often a lot looser than the white is, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to need a separate spatula, I think. And I'm going to try and be careful because I have put too much paint on trying to do these processes before. I've got leftover paints. I've got Mayan Gold, Indian Spice, Baltic Amber, True Silver mixed with a little bit of Interference Gold. I don't need to worry about those. I am going to put that aside for a moment. Grab another spatula. This is my Sherwin Williams white latex. I'm not going to put it all the way to the edges because I think it'll spin out anyway. I haven't tried exactly this before, I don't think. And if I want more pillow paint in black, I will put it on before I add my colors. Actually, I'll just put a little bit of that on right there. The Oxo Omelet Turning Flip and Fold Spatula is on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under Show More on the link tree. You can also find a Colourarte coupon code there and a Pixel Paint Design coupon code. Colourarte is 20% off, Pixel Paint Design is 10%. I'm an affiliate of both now. The Pixel Paint Design is the place where you can find Australian Floetrol, which is nice to know where to find. So I think what I'm going to do is what I said I was going to do and put a little more black. I'm going to throw that in the bucket right after I get the last of it off. I kind of want more white. Do I want more white or do I want more black? Good question. I want my glasses and they're in my pocket. I think that might help. I don't know why. I am hoping that this is going to be enough paint. And I suspect it is. Let's put my glasses on. Let's see what I can do. Oh, I've got black paint on my cover. Throw that in the bucket. And that in the bucket. And everything in the bucket. And wipe my hand off because I've got black paint all over it. Good thing I got a bunch of spatulas. Okay. So, these are my very fresh leftovers. Which I'm hoping will still work well. And then that's going in the bucket. And I'll add my other colors on top. I might even want another smaller spatula or a palette knife to remove the rest of the gold from this spatula. How about a palette knife? How about I left all of my other palette knives in the bucket, unfortunately. So we'll just be using other tools today to scoop and drag if we're going to scoop and drag. Alright, let's see what's left. I've got some Rhapsody Rose and a few other things. Looks like a piece of glop. It can go somewhere else. It looks kind of dark, but there were some nice colors in there, I swear. But fortunately, any colors I add on top will just be covering those up. And that's fine. Maybe I'll spatula swipe today. Do I have one left? I do have one left. I can't believe I used all my spatulas. Wow. Okay, so down to it. Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold from Golden. And I'm probably going to tip for a moment. There's my Rhapsody Rose. There it is. Just going to use my favorite colors. I'm going to use some of this sparkling aqua. I will if it's open. Right along with some Mystique. Same thing. And I'm going to use some Royal Sapphire. And then I want another pink. Not the Tango pink. I'm missing my Tempting Tulip. I bet it's right there. No, this is Passion. But I haven't used it for a while. So I might as well. As long as I remove the tab. I think that's going to be gorgeous. Maybe I'll use the spatula that I've been using. I want one more color. Oh, there's Indigo Violet. Which is not coming out well. I love, love, love Indigo Violet. Now let's let everything tip a little bit. See if there's any colors I think I need that I don't have. I'm going to grab, I've got a couple spatulas. It's time to clean out the bucket, I'll tell you what. Alright, so Mayan Gold, I don't necessarily need right now. Chantilly Lace, I wonder what that would be like. Well, for right now, I'm going to use what I usually use and enjoy it, which is some Amsterdam Black and Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol. And in this case, I think this purple, this Pearlescent Violet Boom Gel will work out very well. And I've got a teal also. Wipe that off on my studio rag and do it again. Oh, looks like it's time to make more. It's sputtering. So I did the purple on that side. I'm going to do the teal and some gold. And throw that in the bucket. I didn't use my other spatula at all. I am going to try and see if I've got, yep, my two favorite scoop and drag tools are 15 seconds from being usable or less. And that's pretty cool. I like the colors I left behind just as well as I like everything else. This could take a while. If I slow down, it's to try and maintain the integrity of some of the cells that I'm unsurreptitiously destroying by being too quick. That's a big word. I'm not sure I've ever used that word before. I like all the red off that. Well, I got some of it. Whoa, sorry about my head. I like to steal some of these cells, put them someplace. They won't get spun off, but I'm not sure where that someplace is going to be. Alright, so maybe less is more this time, and I will remember to tip. Ha! Oh, there's stealable cells in there. That's cool. I gotta figure out how to do that without dribbling. Go back and cover up my mistake. This is the most thoroughly addictive pastime ever. I need some of those right in there. If you scrape down to canvas, remember to cover up where you scarred it. Do I need to put any spirals in? I might. Pull up to release the section to the canvas. And you can definitely move paint from one place to another, but I would hold your hand under it if you don't want it to be an issue. I want to steal some cells. Put them right in here. Yep, I like that. I think we're almost done. I want to steal some more cells and put them over here. Sorry about my head. Those were not the prettiest cells I just stole. Alright, it's time to get a move on. I got 3 minutes to spin this sucker out. Let's use everything we've got. Grab a skewer. Any super large areas like that. And check your bubbles if you put a spiral in. Even little tiny spirals count. Just twist in place at the end. And if there's a solid area like that purple was, it's going to become a much bigger solid area. This is looking pretty slick. I guess I better get moving if I'm going to get spun out. I really like it the way it is though. Looks pretty interesting. I wonder what I'm going to be. Sorry. Throwing that skewer away was probably something I was going to be sorry about. Funny, it takes me a minute to see all the places I want to fix, for sure. So take your time. Oh, I like that black one. And the pink and gold one. That one will spin off. Let's hold that one so I don't know I'm wasting my time. That was a good one. I don't see anything else that's an emergency. We'll still have 1 minute left. I wanted to do one with a black background, but I wanted to keep some white also. That's why I put the white down the center. I don't know if we'll keep any black or any white. I forgot to tip again, darn. Whoops. And I caught the canvas. That's pretty cool. Maybe I can tip now. We've got another minute as long as we can get the timer to go off. In the meantime, I can take that black paint right here, right now, and hit a couple spots on the edge. That's my 1 minute warning to tell you guys, please give me a thumbs up when you like what I do, or if you want to be sportive. Either way. Wasn't doing that before. I think I saw something I need to fix. Not sure where it went though. Oh, that's weird that the black is not adhering to the edge of the canvas. Well, I can fix that after you're gone. I want to tell you guys thank you for the donations you give me through PayPal on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, because you guys are the ones keeping tutorials coming to everybody. This is kind of interesting. I can't find that spot I wanted to fix though. I'll just fix a different spot. I say take care of each other, take care of yourselves. It is what it is. It's weird and cool. Bye for now. Priscilla out.